what kind of investment can support an E2 investor visa? I'm immigration attorney Christopher Gassett at the Gassett Law Firm in Stuart, Florida. There are a few types of investment that can support an E2 investor visa. One is the investment of cash used to establish a business. And the way that generally works is the investor establishes a U.S. business and then purchases the assets necessary for the business. So the leases a space. If it's going to be a restaurant, purchasing the equipment for the restaurant. If it's going to be a transportation business, maybe purchasing vehicles or trucks for a transportation business. So that's one way. Another way is by purchasing an existing business. So a foreign national investor can contact maybe a business broker or find another person who is selling their business, and they can take over the existing business and purchase that business, either all of the assets or the business itself, and run that business as an E2 investor, and that can support the E2 investor visa. A third option is maybe a partnership or a collaboration of some sort. So maybe there's a U.S. person who has an existing business and the foreign national is going to buy a interest in the U.S. business, and they'll run that business together. The foreign nationals investment funds can be used to maybe open a separate division or pay for equipment or operation supplies and materials for that business, and that investment can support an E2 investor visa. So there's at least three types, and the government doesn't limit that. You can be creative in the various types of businesses you can use, and that is a benefit of the E2 investor visa. There's some opportunities to be creative. If you have an idea or you wish to discuss your vision for your E2 investor visa, contact my team at the Gassett Law Firm. You can reach us at 772-219-0101, or you can find us on the web at www.gastonlawfirm.com. At the Gassett Law Firm, we are building American futures.